Good day everybody. How to replace cabin air filter. This is a 2002 Honda CRV. Open the passenger compartment or glove box. Release the tool here. Release them both. There's other one here. Let's take a look for this one. Here, you see, they are connected. Where this connected, like that. Connected like that. And this for slowing the compartment goes to over here. Okay, this will drop off so you can have access. Then remove the cover. Here's the cover. Press here and pull. And remove the air filter, cabinet air filter. Here's the one. This one looks okay, not too bad, but if you see a lot of dust and debris, or a lot of dirt, you can replace it or clean it. Sometimes I just do like that, because this one looks okay. There's one more there, two of them. Is the other one. This one is very dirty actually, see that? So two of them. Here's the arrow, see that arrow shows here. So you can vacuum this, clean it, or you can replace it. We're just gonna clean it and put it back again. Okay, so after we clean them a little bit, you can replace them, but they look good. And now there's two of them here, and always the arrow facing down. We'll put the first one. So the two filters, one beside each other, not one on the top of each other. The arrow facing down. This one sits like that. Always the arrow facing down. Yeah, there's a tray, like a pocket for those filters. It sits like that. The tray is missing, and but yeah, it's gone. So that's why the fan is this one here. And the tray, you put them on a tray. Both each has one tray, and then you slide it there. So always the arrow facing down. But since the tray is missing, we try to install it this one back as like before there was no tray. Okay, now this one always pushed that way. This one first, second one goes here. Okay. See, that's why when there is no tray is missing. See? So we're gonna leave it just the way it is. Then put this cover back, just like that, and that's it. Then we put those back in like that. You push this one down there, and then you put this one in. One. Two. Thank you for watching. Please support our channel, like, subscribe, share, check out other videos. All the best and hope to see you next time.